Fear of public speaking. A lot of people have it. Trust me, I do too. I do this for a living, have done it for well over 30 years, but I still get those knots in my stomach. I've gotten past those. In fact, I've learned how to harness that nervous excitement and bring it into my classes. And I'm here to tell you why you need to as well. Now, I understand that not all of us are going to be teachers like myself, but presentation skills go way beyond being a teacher. I would argue just about every profession out there, if you speak to people, you need to have presentation skills. And here's why. Here is a perfect reason why. I'm going to give you 3 bullet points, even though on this website they have 5 shocking public speaking statistics. We're going to focus on the first 3 because these right here give me all the incentive I need as an employee to polish my presentation skills, and you should too. Here's bullet point number 1. Fear of public speaking cuts wages by 10%. Ooh. A fear of public speaking can have a significant impact on your career, given that those who have made it make about 10% less. If you have fear of public speaking, you're going to be in a bad position. You're not going to make your full potential. I don't care what your role is, what job you have. You're lowering that potential earnings by about 10%. Number 2, and I'm paraphrasing all these, but the points are valid, and you can see this all over the place. We just have this one site to look at right now. Fear of public speaking inhibits promotion to management by 15%. In addition to lowering your potential wages, a fear of public speaking also makes it difficult to be promoted to a leadership position. And even if you make it to a management role with this fear of public speaking, it might be tough to perform well given how much group speaking is typically involved in these roles. You got to speak to your reports. My boss gives me a vision and says, hey, you got to do this. Get your team and do this. Okay, now I have this vision on how to do it. I got to relate that to my reports. If I'm horrible at it, they're never going to perform to their potential, and neither will I. And bullet point number 3, this is really crucial. Your delivery matters more than your content. According to research, what you say to an audience isn't nearly as important as how you say it. I say this all the time to my kids. Studies suggest that effective presentations are 38% your voice, 55% nonverbal, and only 7% of your content. That means you should spend even more time preparing your delivery, all right, than you do developing incredible, awesome content. All right, this should get your attention. There is a financial benefit to learning how to speak publicly, and it doesn't matter if you're in sales, if you're in marketing, if you are in finance, leadership, you name the role. You need to learn how to present information to other people, and I have a solution for you. I've been doing this for a very long time. Let's just leave it at that. And on bellcomtraining.com is my solution where you can go down to classes. I call it, it's all in your presentation. This is a 6-hour class that I deliver. All the little ins and outs to make you think about presentation skills differently. It's not a big deal. I can show you how to become awesome at presenting information. That's the goal. And if you can do this, if you can master some of these little things, it's going to make a huge difference. It's going to make you 10% richer over time and give you a 15% better opportunity to land a leadership role. All right, come out and visit us at bellcomtraining.com, and hopefully I will see you in class.